What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to save your iPhone contacts to your Google account. This is a handy way to ensure your contacts are backed up and accessible across devices. To begin, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. At the top, tap Lists, which will display all of your contact groups. Press and hold on All iPhone and then select Export from the menu. You'll be prompted to choose the fields you want to export. Once you've selected the fields, tap Done in the upper right corner. A share sheet window will appear. Scroll down and choose Save to Files. Once you've chosen the location, tap Save in the top right corner. Next, exit the Contacts app and open up a web browser, such as Safari. Navigate to contacts.google.com and make sure you're logged in with your Google account in which you want to save your iPhone contacts. In the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll down and select Import. In the Import section, click Select File. Locate the file you just saved on your iPhone. If you recently exported it, you should find it in the Recents folder. Select the file and click Import. Google will begin importing your contacts. Once the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message that says Done. To check your newly imported contacts, click on Contacts at the top left of the page, where you will see all of your saved entries. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.